Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be all about affordable sets, holiday sets over at Ulta Beauty. So I've done a couple holiday focus videos here. I did affordable sets over at Sephora. I've also done a holiday gift guide. It was more kind of non-beauty related since I put out so many makeup and beauty videos. I thought it could be helpful to do non-beauty. I will have both of those listed down below, but I also asked if you would want to see an Ulta focus video and again going back to the sets, the holiday sets, just sets that brands have out in general, and a lot of people said yes, so that's what we're doing today. Everything that I'm going to mention is under $30, so we have between like $10 and $30 for this video, so I hope you're excited for it. Why don't we go ahead and get started. All right, I did want to say I did just get done filming this look. This will be for tomorrow's video with my trying a new makeup video that I post over here on Fridays. I'm quite happy with the way most of the products turned out, so that will be coming in tomorrow's video. But to kick it off, so I have some hair care, I have skincare, I have makeup, of course, I have some tools in here, so we have a lot to get through today. Again, like I said, some of these are, you know, holiday releases, some of these are just sets that are available from the brands, kind of how I did my Sephora video as well. So jumping into it, starting with some hair. So I found this, it's called the Dry Shampoo Back to School Trio, so that's definitely not holiday, but this is from Batiste. Now, I recently tried out the Batiste dry shampoo because I feel like I hear so many people talking about it and recommending it. I really like dry shampoo because I am someone who only washes my hair twice a week, so I definitely like to have dry shampoo for once I get to like day 3, and you know, if I have day 4 hair even, I like to have dry shampoo. I like to travel with my dry shampoo as well, and I tried Batiste recently and I really do like it. I also really do like the Dry Bar Detox dry shampoo, but also Batiste. I've been having a really good time with my bottle of that, which I picked up from Ulta during a sale a while back. This trio here is $9.99 for the 3. I think that these are probably minis is what I would think. And then you get the, like, I think there are different sets. So we have the Batiste Blush, Tropical, and also the original in 1.6 ounce mini sizes. So that's awesome. So I mean, you can either keep all 3, you can maybe do like stocking stuffers for someone if you need a small like stocking stuffer gift. I mean, I know a lot of people really enjoy dry shampoos, so if you have anyone that you would want to gift for, I think that would be a pretty cool deal. So I have some skincare in here from Dermalogica. Dermalogica is one of my favorite skincare brands. I've tried a lot of products from them and a lot I really enjoy. They have a lot of different sets over there. They have some specific holiday sets that are really nice, but they come with a lot of products, and I'm trying to keep everything under the $30 mark for this video, if I didn't say that. But I found this one here for $10. It includes 2 minis, and they're 2 of my personal favorite products. So this is called the Dermalogica Double Cleanse, again for $10. So inside you get the pre-cleanse and then also the special cleansing gel. The pre-cleanse is one of the best makeup removers just around. I think it's fantastic for eye makeup, for face makeup, liquid lipstick, eyeliner, glitter, anything. It takes so much off. So I think the pre-cleanse is awesome. And then also the special cleansing gel. I've gone through an entire like very large bottle of the special cleansing gel. I like to use it in the morning. It's nice and gentle on my skin, but leaves my, on my sensitive skin, but it leaves my skin feeling really clean. So for $10 to be able to try, you know, 2 smaller sizes of these, I think that would be a really good deal. They also look to be very travel friendly if you're doing any traveling over the holidays, or again, it could make a really nice gift if you know someone looking for some skincare. So I thought that set was pretty cool. I also found a set here from Maybelline. So I have talked about loving the Maybelline mascaras. I've been a big fan of their mascaras for years and years. When I was first, you know, getting into makeup, I was definitely gravitating towards Maybelline. You know, I was shopping at the drugstores a lot. We didn't have social media as like we do today when I was getting into makeup and all of that. But I gravitated a lot towards Maybelline, and I found myself really enjoying their mascaras. And even now, as my collection has grown and I, you know, am familiar with so many other brands now, I still go back to Maybelline mascaras so often. Their latest one, the Total Temptation, I think is a fabulous mascara and one that I have repurchased for my collection. So on the Ulta Beauty website, they have the Countdown Mini Mascara Kit. Now this is $14.99. So it says Maybelline's most loved mascaras now in the Countdown Mini Mascara Kit. Get ready to have the best lashes around. So you get minis of 4 different mascaras. You have the Great Lash in Blackest Black, the Lash Sensational, the Total Temptation, and also the Mini Colossal Volume Express. The Total Temptation is what I have in my collection now and that I have repurchased. I know I've tried the Great Lash. That's like one of my old school mascaras. The Lash Sensational, that is also a really fabulous mascara. That was one that I kept repurchasing for the longest time, just a couple years ago. The only mascara that I can't recall off the top of my head, maybe this is from a while ago that I've tried, but the Mini Colossal Volume Express, I haven't tried that one, but I think mini mascaras are fabulous because mascaras are something in our makeup collection that can go bad very quickly. So to have minis of this one, I think that would be great. And like I said, I really like the Maybelline mascaras, so I would definitely recommend this kit. I also have a fragrance recommendation in here. Now, I've recommended this brand several times in my videos, but I found this kind of like sampler set, so I thought I would throw it out there. This is from Define Me Fragrance. So this is the Rollerball Fragrance Sampler Kit. So it's $21. It says it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That has 6 different of the Rollerball scents in there. It has Audrey, which is one of my favorites, Delphine, which was the first scent that I got from Define Me that I really do like, and also Sophia Isabel, which is another one. I think I like Audrey, then Sophia Isabel, then Delphine in the order, and those are the 3 that I have tried so far. But you would get 6 in the little sampler set here. Again, you could keep them for yourself, you could re-gift, stocking stuffers, anything like that. If you just need like a little extra gift, you know, like sometimes you have like a nice gift for someone, but you need just a little something more, nothing too crazy. You could slip, you know, a perfume, a sampler in there so they could try it out. But I really like the brand. I really like a lot of the scents that I've tried. So I would definitely recommend that one from Define Me. Now, some more skincare that I was looking at, I was trying to pick out a few of my favorite brands, but a lot of their sets just get to be pretty pricey because they put so many products in there. But I was looking at Peter Thomas Roth because I've tried a few of the masks from the brand and I really do like them. I see a lot of people recommending them and using them. So I was scrolling through that page to see what I could find, and they have a couple different options there, but one that I thought was really interesting, especially for me because I have dry skin and it gets really, really dry in the winter, but they have the Hyaluronic Happy Hour Kit, which is $22. So inside you get the Water Drench Cloud Cream Cleanser and also the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. Okay, that's what you get in there. But it's $22 and you get to try these out. And the big thing is the hyaluronic acid, which is so good for hydrating the skin. If you have dry skin, like I feel like we kind of know those words. Like I've learned those words through trying to understand my skin type, texture, all of that. So my eyes really perked up when I saw hyaluronic acid. So if you have really dry skin, that could be a good set to go for. They do also have the Jet Set Facial. This is $25. And in here you get the Firm Peeling Mask. You get the Cucumber Gel Mask, which I really do like. Again, really nice for like intensely hydrating the skin. And then you do get in here the Water Drench why did they make these names so long and so complicated? The Water Drench Cloud Cream Cleanser and the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. So I thought that was really interesting because in this one you get the 2 from the other one, but then you also get 2 more products in here, and that is for $25. So 2 different sets that I wanted to point out from Peter Thomas Roth in case you might be interested in them. So I wanted to mention Ofra Cosmetics because they have a lot of different holiday sets out right now, which I think are very intriguing. So they have the Staycation set. This one is $25. Inside you get a mini Pillow Talk highlighter. I love the Pillow Talk highlighter from Ofra. It is one of my all-time favorite highlighter, so I think that's awesome. You also get a mini liquid lipstick in here. I believe the shade is in Treasure, and then also a mini of their makeup fixer, so that is like their setting spray. They also have the On Holiday set. This guy is $25 as well. Inside you get the Rodeo Drive highlighter. You also get 2 liquid lipsticks in there in the shades Americano and Tuscany. I love the Ofra liquid lipstick formula. Again, it's one of my favorites, so definitely would recommend that set. But then also this last set is all of their liquid lipsticks. It's all liquid lipsticks, not all of their liquid lipsticks. This is $20. This is called the Hot Toddies Mini Lip Set. So inside you get 4 mini lipsticks, which are Monaco, Mina, Bal Harbor, and Brickell, I think is how you pronounce it. So those are a few different holiday sets from Ofra Cosmetics. I would definitely suggest checking them out. Love their highlighters, love their liquid lipsticks. Definitely recommend giving those a second look from Ofra Cosmetics. Now I also wanted to mention Dose of Colors because I really enjoy Dose of Colors as a brand, and I also really enjoy their liquid lipsticks. They have a couple different sets out. They do have a lip gloss set, but I didn't love their lip gloss as much as I do their liquid lipsticks. So they have the Let's Get Toasty Matte Liquid Lipstick Set. This is $29 and you get 4 mini liquid lipsticks in here. The shades are in Stone, which is one of my favorite shades. The first shade that I tried from Dose of Colors and I love it. Truffle, which is a recent favorite of mine. I picked that one up recently and I love that one. It's so good. There's also Heartbreaker and Catching Feelings. Those are two shades that I don't own. So if this set would have had all 4 that I hadn't tried, or maybe even like 3 out of the 4 that I hadn't tried, I would have picked it up for myself, because I don't mind having mini lipsticks, especially liquid lipsticks. They're so hard to go through a full one. I would have definitely picked it up, but I own 2 out of the 4. But if you don't own any of these or you want to try them out, I think one liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors is like $18, $17 or $18. So to be able to try 4, you know, get a little variety of, these are definitely more nude tone shades, but you can get a little bit of a variety of colors in here for the, what was it, $29? I think that's a pretty sweet deal. So wanted to point out that set from Dose of Colors. Alrighty, apologize if my lighting keeps changing. I'm filming super late, but that's just what I'm doing these days. So I actually have my blinds shut and I just have some different lights placed around my room. So I feel like I just like keep moving them every few minutes to try to see which the best one is. But I always think it's so funny when people complain about YouTubers complaining about their lighting in the videos, because they're like, we don't care about it. But it's because, at least for me personally, I get a lot of comments about my lighting. Not like a lot, but, and you know, it's always people that are like, I can't watch your videos because of your lighting. And I'm like, that sucks. Like, do you even care what I'm talking about, or is it not helpful at all? You just can't get past the lighting. But I feel like that's why so many people, YouTubers, mention it in their videos, because I'm sure they also get comments about like lighting being terrible. But one of my favorite comments was like, you should get the lighting Desi Perkins has. And I'm like, okay, maybe someday. But okay, so moving on. So I have some BH Cosmetics brushes that I wanted to recommend, and I really wanted to put them in this video because when I was first, you know, really starting to watch YouTube and really trying to learn how to do makeup, because I really had no idea what I was doing. I wanted to learn makeup so badly, but I didn't know, and I found YouTube. I found Carly Bible, and she was always recommending BH Cosmetics. She would use their brushes a lot, and then I started seeing other people recommending them too. So I actually first purchased BH Cosmetics. Like, that was my big, like, dang girl, you're really doing this, you're really getting on it. And I really like their brushes, and they are very affordable. Right now, I don't think they're like as good of quality as like my Sigma brushes that I love so much, the Motive brushes, Delium tools. Those are just a few brands that I really enjoy their brushes, but they're still really nice quality. So if you're looking for a gift, especially for someone who's maybe newer into makeup and trying to learn, and really trying to learn the functions of, okay, what does this brush do? What does that brush do? You know, how can I best use this brush? Maybe it says it's a blush brush, but I want to use it as a bronzer brush. You know, things like that. I felt like they were really nice to learn on, so I thought I would throw these out here because they are affordable as well. So they have the Crystal Quartz. This is the 12-piece brush set. You also get a bag with it, and it's $26, and it has face and eye brushes. And then there's also the Signature Rose Gold 13-piece brush set. This one doesn't come with a bag, but this one is $24, so you get an extra brush but not a bag in here. And again, it does have the face and eye brushes. So I just thought that I would mention that because, again, I learned a lot with my BH brushes, and I really enjoyed them. I would buy the sets, I would buy single brushes. I remember one of my first like real blending brushes I purchased was from BH Cosmetics, and I mean, I didn't even know what a blending brush was before I started watching YouTube. I didn't know that was a thing. I just always used the, you know, like the sponge tip applicators that came with like the single shadows I was purchasing. I was like, what is it? Is that not right? So I wanted to mention those, so I'll have both of those linked down below, but I really do like the BH brushes. And then the last item that I want to recommend is one from MAC Cosmetics, and this is a lip set, and you get 4 of the MAC lipsticks in here, and they are mini lipsticks. So this set is called the Shiny Pretty Things Party Favors, and this is the nude mini lipsticks. They also do have another set as well, I think with some more colorful shades in there. These are $29.50. You get 4 mini lipsticks, and I actually did get these sent to me from MAC, so these are what the lipsticks look like. I'm so disappointed because I was going to do a lip swatching video over on my Instagram, and then I lost one of the lipsticks. I switched purses from like my warm weather purse to my giant winter bag that I carry around, and it has like a little pocket on the top, and I forgot that I cannot put my makeup there because if my purse like tips over or anything, I lose everything in that pocket. So I really keep that pocket bare except for like gum maybe. And I filmed a video and I had that lip shade on. It's in Nutmegged, which I believe is in my holiday giveaway video. If you haven't entered that yet, you can check it out. but you know, I had it on, we were going out to eat, so I threw it in the purse and then it never came home with me. So I don't know if it spilled out at the restaurant. We went to a friend's house afterwards. I don't know if it's my friend's house. I searched my husband's truck for it in case maybe it fell out there, and I cannot find it. So I just have 3 here, but I thought I'd at least still swatch them so you could see what they look like. So this one is in the shade Half Calf, which this one I think is the darkest of the group. It's a little bit more almost like mauve but plum at the same time, like a plummy mauve. So that one is Half Calf. This next one here is in Hark, and this one is kind of like a more like cool toned nude, I would say. So that second one there is in Hark, and then the last one that I have is in Fam Only, and this one is a really pretty, more of like your pinky rosy nude, which is something that I wear quite a bit. So that is the last one there. So I'm sorry that those are the only 3 shades that I have. I'm so disappointed, but those are the ones from MAC Cosmetics. So I thought I would mention these. They're $29.50 for the 4. Again, you can do the nude set, the more colorful set. MAC also has a lot, I mean, MAC does holiday collections like really big. They have like glitter eyeshadow toppers that are really beautiful. They have a bunch of different sets. They have like 3 of the makeup, the Fix Plus. They have 3 of those. They have little sets with like a lipstick, mascara, I think like a highlighter. I mean, they have a lot going on over there. So I would check out MAC Cosmetics if you're looking for some good gift sets, because they definitely have a lot. But after that, those are all of the affordable holiday / not so holiday sets that I want to mention from Ulta Beauty. Again, everything will be listed down below in case there was anything that you were interested in checking out further. But I would love to know what you guys thought of everything that I mentioned. Is there anything that you're planning to pick up, or maybe you already did pick up, or that you're planning on gifting, or any other sets that you think are good ones from Ulta Beauty? I would love to see that in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching though. Thank you so much for requesting this video. If you do have any other requests, please always just leave them in the comment section, and I appreciate them so much. But other than that, if you enjoyed this one, I hope that you'll give it a thumbs up. I hope that you'll also consider subscribing before you go, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.